Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a second warning letter. What is a second warning letter? A second written warning is a formal warning that the employer can give the employee at the end of the disciplinary procedure. A first or final written warning should say what the misconduct or performance issue is, the change is needed, with a timescale. In this video, Writing Practices will show you how to write a notice that provides a detailed second written warning to an employee regarding poor performance or other unacceptable conduct. It includes a warning to the employee that suspension or discharge is likely if appropriate corrections are not made. So, check this out. First of all, write your information as the sender of this letter. Of course, you must write your full name. Under it, write your occupation in the company or organization. In this example, the letter is sent by the Vice President of Sales. And write the company name. You don't need to write the address if you directly give this letter to the employee in the same building as you. Now, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. After that, you need to write the information about the recipient. Yes, write the full name. Under it, write the occupation in the company or organization. In this example, the letter is addressed to the sales associate. And write the company name or just skip it, it is optional. For the next, write the subject of the letter. You can write second warning for poor performance. Obviously, the subject depends on the warning or issues itself. You don't need to write salutation here, just strictly write the warning. In the first paragraph, you can strongly state that this is a warning letter. And mention how you have been sending the first warning last time. You must tell the recipient why he or she gets this second warning. In this example, the warning is because of the recipient gave poor performance for 3 months. And write how you have been giving verbal warnings too. In the second paragraph, write the consequences that the recipient will get if he or she keeps this poor performance. And give the recipient deadline to increase the performance. For example is 2 months. After that, mention what consequence it is if the recipient failed to work as the targeted one. For example, the recipient will have to join a performance improvement program. You can also mention dismissal if the recipient refused to join it. In the third paragraph, write your suggestions to solve this issue. For example, you can ask the recipient to get in touch with the team lead or manager. And ask the recipient to ask for an assistance from them. And the last sentence, write your hope for the recipient. You can hope that the recipient take the advice and begin showing results. And remind again the actions the recipient has to take as soon as possible. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature. And write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a second warning letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.